Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. So in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up BB Tunnel Pro VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a stable connection, and a secure connection. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing and share link this tutorial to all your friends and family. And don't forget to drop a like on this tutorial. So we're going to start by opening our Google Play Store so that you can be able to access this application from the trusted sources only. So I recommend you to use Google Play Store to download this application, which is BB Tunnel Pro VPN. So this application, it is one of the fastest applications so far, and it was just updated on 7th June 2026. So let us use this application responsibly. Download, install, and then after open. So keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to allow all the notifications that will be requested to you by this application. And then before using this application, I kindly recommend you to come right here down where you see the word update. So updating the servers is one of the most essential and crucial step you can do to this application so that you can be able to access a secure internet. And the failure to update the servers will result into one, failure to this application to connect. Two, this application will start misbehaving in future. So I recommend you to use this option and then update your servers. Remember that updated servers requires some running data bundle, and make sure that your mobile data is on. So step 2, you're going to come right here where you see auto select server, and then once you check, that server will be seeing we have 80 servers right here. We have those servers, and selecting these servers requires a high level of carefulness. You must be more careful while selecting or setting up these servers. So I kindly recommend you to choose a server from your country's location, or to choose a server that is near to your country's location. But if you can't spot that server, just stay tuned at this YouTube channel, because I'm going to guide you step by step. Even if you have never set up any application concerning VPNs to access a secure connection, just know that you are at the right place. So we are going to go like this. If you don't know about these servers and you know nothing about these servers, that is very good and well. Keeping auto select server. So lastly, this is the most important step. Step 3, you're going to come where you see fast and safe secure browsing. Fast, safe, secure browsing. So you're going to come, and then let me show you. So you're going to be seeing some lists of recommended servers right here, but I kindly request you to not select those servers because they are not as fast as someone who is going to come from recommended to all countries. So you're going to come to all country, and then you're going to scroll, patiently scroll, and look for your country's server. Alternatively, if your country supports the UDP protocol, don't waste your time looking for all those servers. I can recommend you to come right here on the all world UDP protocol, and then you'll be able to come and then press that button. And then after pressing that button, give it some few seconds to connect. As you see, it is connecting right here, and mine has already connected successfully, and it will connect. Let me show you that it is going to connect. So what if it fails to connect like that? Let me show you some. Once it fails to connect, make sure that, let me show you. Once it fails to connect using that server, it may be currently offline, at this moment when I'm making the tutorial. So you're going to pause the connecting step and then go and look for another server from your country. For example, because these servers are varied, some may come online and others offline. So you're going to come, let me show you. Let me try to connect to a server from here, a certain country, and then we're going to connect to a server, and then we'll be able to access a secure internet. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustek, and I sign out.